Claudia traders, U.S. stocks snapped three-week winning streak against the backdrop of rising Middle East tensions after the drone attack on Saudi Arabia major refinery last week. Trade war concerns took central stage gains as U.S. and Chinese deputy negotiators conducted a two-day meeting in Washington, and Chinese deputies canceled its visit to U.S. farming regions over the weekend. The S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq ended lower in another consolidation stretch, with S&P 500 losing 0.5%. The ICE US dollar index gained 0.2% as Federal Reserve cut its benchmark federal funds rate a quarter percentage point, but signed no further easing yet. Only Nikkei out of 6 largest developed market indexes kept advancing last week. Hang Seng was the loss leader. It dropped 3.4%. 4 out of 6 major currency pairs reversed previous week's dynamics, and the range of major currency pairs weekly fluctuation widened while it shifted lower. The Australian dollar was the leader in terms of percentage change. It fell 1.7% against the US dollar. Reports on Eurozone and US economy performance, such as flash reading of Germany manufacturing and services PMIs today and US durable goods orders Friday, are the major events this week. And the Reserve Bank of New Zealand meets on Wednesday with no policy change expected. Happy trading, see you next week.